The name is unique, the concept simple. We Designs is exactly that.
You and we design, so it's your idea and we're helping kind of bring that to life.
We is a craft studio and gift store. You're the artist creating anything your heart desires.
You is a major part of we. We just help make whatever you came in with. And then when we make that a reality, you end up making something you cherish.
They can come in and create different items, and the whole idea is just that it's this collaborative. You have ideas and you're creative and you're bringing it in, and we're kind of helping set the stage where you're able to make or create whatever it is that you have in your mind.
Really, when you come in here, your imagination what holds it back. It isn't the products that we have, it's what you want. And a lot of times, even if you don't know what you want, Stephanie's able to help figure that out, and actually, when you walk out of here, you've created.
And who doesn't love a sentimental gift? Here they've taken a piece of a kid's artwork and lasered it onto wood. You could keep this forever. And I love this, so special. A handwritten recipe lasered onto slate.
It's about making a memory that lasts and something that people cherish. And we see tears all the time. Good tears, joyful tears.
Choose from wood, slate, or maybe try your hand at making your own terrarium. Customers can also create their own candle. It's fun to choose your scent and select your style. The options are limitless.
People could come in and create their own fragrances. We have over 35 plus fragrances you can mix and match and create your own signature scent and pour candles.
We also has a great selection of already made decor and gifts. The store also features a line of women's clothing.
Definitely affordable, so that's something that's important to me because I'm an affordable type shopper, so I want to keep my prices at a price range that I would spend. So I think people will enjoy that when they see them.
Whether you come to shop or come to create, We has something special just for you.
It was fun. Thanks for having us.
Thanks for coming.
We has candle making kits to go. Just pick your scent. Everything's boxed and ready to take home. In Durant, I'm Tina McGarry, discovering Oklahoma.